A man that loves you can't be taken away from you, no matter how many girls throw themselves at him. Remember that. Nothing as beautiful as seeing someone who has been unlucky in relationships finally being loved effortlessly by the right person. The wrong relationships just prepare you for the right one, and when the right one comes, you'll be thankful the others didn't work out. Honestly, if a man wants you, you won't have to ask for effort. He'll make time. He'll call you. He'll text you. Trust me. An entire sea of water can't sink a ship unless it gets inside the ship. Similarly, the negativity of the world can't put you down unless you allow it to get inside you. If you love someone, pray for them. Pray for their peace. Pray for their growth. Pray for their success. Pray for their happiness. Imagine being with someone who makes you believe in love again, someone who treats you right this time. Evolution. Once the heart gets too heavy with pain, people don't cry. They just turn silent. Completely silent. Invest your time in someone that makes you feel appreciated, even on your worst days. That's real love. Your next man is gonna love you in ways you didn't even know was possible. Wait for him. With the right person, you don't have to work so hard to be happy. It just happens. Normalize marrying to a man who isn't financially stable. You can grow together. Don't put pressure on men. You can't replace a woman that gives you both wifey and best friend vibes. That shit is rare. In the end, all we want is someone who will choose us and will keep on choosing us even on our worst times. That's love.